Nature Jadd here, coming to you from the port of Siuslaw. The Siuslaw River has been a famous port on Nature Jadd's channel for a long time, and I wanted you to see the mouth of the Siuslaw and the beautiful Siuslaw Bridge in Florence, Oregon. Now, Nature Jadd's out on a dock where supposedly there is a duck Jabberwock-y that might attack someone who says, "Jabberwock-y? What you talkie?" 3 times. But I don't believe in such things, so let's give it a shot. Jabberwock-y, what you talkie? Jabberwock-y, what you talkie? Jabberwock-y, what you talkie? Nature Jadd has died.